How's it going, everyone? Today is my first 3D printer challenge. So I'm trying to fit this sprocket on a wheel, and the thing is, on this wheel there's a bearing and there's this cover. It's a dust cover for a bearing. So I have two options. My first option is to trim off a part of this bearing cover, that lip, take this whole part off so they can fit together, or machine the inside of this sprocket just so it goes, just so the bearing cover goes through. Now, I do not have a grinder, an angle grinder, to shave this off. I do not have the right machine to machine this open, and I do not want to run the bearing without the dust cover, because then there's going to be dust going into the bearings and then the bearings are going to go. Although this is for something that I plan on selling, but I just want to make sure I'm selling something that's decent. So I thought, okay, this seems easy to draw on Solidworks. So I'm like, okay, let me try to draw it how I want it to be, and I'll use this machine behind me and I'll print it out and I'll see how it goes. So the nice thing about that would be, if it works out, is I have a few more of these. I know I'm going to run into the same situation again. So it'd be nice if I had the drawing and it's just print, and we're good to go. And it shouldn't take too long to print either. So I'm going to give it a shot, and we'll see how it goes. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday I was able to play around with my Solidworks, and at first I wasn't really able to make the drawing. It was just too complicated. Not too complicated, but I guess I was just all my drawing skills were a bit rusty. And then I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna machine the old part and forget about it. And then last night I was super hungry and I went to Pizza for some food. I had 2 medium pizzas. 2. I was starving. And then I came back. I guess all the carbs and the energy had a good effect, because I was able to draw, and there it is. It's exactly the same. I hope I think it's strong enough. It's only a dust cover, so there's not a lot of load on it. Test fitted it on the sprocket and it fits perfect. Just goes through, so we'd be able to fit the sprocket with this dust cover. I don't think there's a lot of load on it, so hopefully the plastic will do. I'm gonna go ahead and try to install it, and let's see how it goes.